hello hello guys, welcome to Indian Hacker channel. Now I am going to show you how to hack Sonic Boom. See, it is here with Lucky Patcher. Now let's start. We will to download the Lucky Patcher. I have put the link in the description below. Click on Sonic Boom. Open menu of patches, create modified APK file, APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation, rebuild the app. Now it is going to happen. It is breaking the link between the Google Play in-app purchases. I will also show I will show you the proof also how it works. Enjoy. With Lucky Patcher we can also hack in this method. In this method we can also hack Lucky Patcher. No, we can also hack Subway Surfer and Traffic Rider. Some games I know I hack those. Don't ever try COC, Boombeat, Heyday. Those are the impossible games which can be hacked ever. Those are impossible. Don't ever try. Why is this app's name Lucky Patcher? Do you know? Sometimes it now see patch pattern N1 successfully. Now if you install the app and then if you delete the app and then if you again go to patch, now it will not show successfully. Now I'll go to file, click here, uninstall and install. Okay, now I'll install it. I'm also going to show you the proof how it works. You can see it is installing. Don't forget to subscribe. This is my new channel, so I may be having some mistakes. If you want to give me advices about my video, then you can type some comments. I'll try to improve myself. Now I'll open the app. Okay. It is loading. I don't know why it is taking so much time. Denny, back. See, it's loading. It's telling Sega R. It's really fun to hack games with Lucky Patcher. It's not really hacking. I'll play. Okay. By mistakenly what happened, I had started this game from starting only. That is why. If you start, it will tell you to play some games, and then afterwards. Sorry, my game was little bit saved, so I can't show you that. But it really works. If it really works, then you see how it works. Really awesome game. Don't just leave it. So guys, thanks for watching.